First up, we have the Mower S1. This isn't just any lawnmower. It's a fully automated mowing system that will keep your lawn looking pristine without you lifting a finger. The Mower S1 Pro 4WD isn't just a mower. It's a mowing, mulching, and leaf vacuuming powerhouse all in one. This means it cuts your grass, shreds it finely, and then sucks up all those clippings and leaves, leaving your lawn clean and pristine all in one go. Plus, it tackles inclines up to a staggering 75%, making it the ultimate weapon for uneven landscapes. The Mower S1 Pro 4WD boasts user-friendly smart control, putting the power and precision of your lawn care at your fingertips. No more wrestling with a heavy mower or struggling uphill. Navigate your lawn with ease using the intuitive remote control. And with a long-lasting battery life of 2.25 hours, you can mow extensive areas without interruption. The wide 21-inch blade of the Mower S1 Pro 4WD cuts a swathe through your lawn, significantly reducing mowing time. Cover up to 1.125 acres on a single charge, making it ideal for large properties or those who value efficiency. Plus, the automatic grass dumping mechanism eliminates the need to stop and empty a cumbersome grass catcher, saving you time and effort. It boasts a powerful 1612 CFM leaf vacuuming system. This innovative feature ensures that your lawn isn't just mowed, but meticulously clean. Next, we have Garden Space, your personal garden assistant. This gadget takes the guesswork out of gardening by monitoring soil moisture, temperature, and sunlight levels. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a complete beginner, Garden Space takes the guesswork out of keeping your urban oasis thriving. Garden Space features a high-tech 360-degree swivel camera that acts as your eyes on the prize. You can check in on your plants anytime, anywhere through the convenient smartphone app. Setting up Garden Space is a breeze. Simply connect it to your water supply and Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. The user-friendly app becomes your garden command center. You can monitor soil moisture levels, adjust watering schedules based on plant needs, and even receive alerts if anything seems amiss. Here's another reason to love Garden Space. It's powered by the sun. No more worrying about tangled cords or dead batteries. Garden Space harnesses the power of the sun to operate efficiently, making it a fantastic eco-friendly choice for your green haven. Ever dreamed of attracting a flurry of feathered friends to your backyard, but tired of pesky squirrels stealing the show? Enter the BirdKiss S1, a smart bird feeder that elevates birdwatching to a whole new level. The BirdKiss S1 isn't just a feeder, it's a gateway to a vibrant ecosystem right outside your window. This innovative feeder combines high-tech features with a love for our avian neighbors. Squirrels are notorious for hijacking bird feeders, but fear not, bird lovers. Squirrels won't be able to access the seeds, leaving your bird buffet untouched. The BirdKiss S1 goes beyond just feeding birds. It lets you watch their fascinating antics in real time. With its built-in 1080p HD camera and wide 135-degree viewing angle, you can immerse yourself in live birdwatching sessions right from your phone. BirdKiss S1 utilizes cutting-edge AI technology to identify over 10,000 bird species worldwide. The high-quality 1080p lens and powerful night vision ensure vibrant visuals in any lighting condition. The weatherproof design keeps seeds dry, and the large 1.25-liter capacity minimizes refill frequency. Additionally, you can customize your feeder by adding the included fruit holders to attract an even wider variety of birds. Craving fresh herbs and healthy greens all year round, but don't have a sprawling garden or a green thumb? Aspara is here to change the game. This innovative smart indoor garden is like a self-contained greenhouse, making it possible for anyone to cultivate a bounty of fresh produce right on their countertop. This smart system allows you to grow a variety of plants, including vegetables, fruits, and even superfoods. Imagine having a constant supply of fresh, homegrown ingredients that are bursting with flavor and free of harmful chemicals. Aspara is essentially a miniature, controlled environment that optimizes plant growth. It utilizes adjustable LED grow lights that mimic natural sunlight, ensuring your plants thrive regardless of the season. Built-in smart sensors constantly monitor conditions like temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels. Aspara then automatically adjusts lighting and water flow to create the perfect environment for your chosen plants. Aspara seamlessly integrates with an app, allowing you to remotely monitor your plants, adjust settings, and even create time-lapse videos to document their growth. Up next is the AI Vision Robot Mower by Tero. This futuristic mower uses advanced AI and vision technology to map your garden and mow your lawn with precision. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that require perimeter wires, the Tero is a true free spirit. Its cutting-edge AI technology eliminates the need for pesky wires, giving you a clean, uncluttered lawn and saving you the hassle of installation. The Tero boasts automotive-grade cameras and advanced 3D visual sensing powered by AI. This intelligent system allows the mower to perceive and categorize objects in real time. Think of it as a super smart lawn explorer that navigates your yard with precision and avoids obstacles effortlessly. Tero creates a detailed map of your lawn on its first run, ensuring efficient and complete coverage. It's like having a personal lawn cartographer working for you. The Tero is equipped with a handy rain sensor. If the skies open up, it automatically returns to its charging station, ensuring your precious mower stays safe and dry. The Tero offers multiple mowing modes to suit your needs. Take complete control of your lawn care with a user-friendly smartphone app. Set mowing schedules, define no-go zones to protect delicate landscaping, and receive real-time updates, all from the comfort of your couch. Tero comes equipped with anti-theft alarms, so you can sleep soundly knowing your investment is safe. And there you have it. 5 amazing garden inventions and gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome garden tips and gadget reviews. Thanks for watching.